Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the creations that I've made throughout the week. In the description box below, I will have listed all the blog posts or videos corresponding with all of the creations. So let's get busy. So this week was fun week as always. Started off with another center step card. Can you see there? These are becoming my favorites. They're so easy to make and they just are such a neat card. I made this one for the Craft and Kimmy Saturday Challenge, which was fun folds. I used the Farmtastic stamp set and colored that up. And then the papers are from the Not Too Shabby May 2022 Paper Pad Club. So that was super fun. Just kind of decorated the inside a little bit there. So yeah, center step card. Next up was Monday was my collab with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. So, and we both used the same My Favorite Things bubbly birthday stamp set. So there was my first card. Have that stamped on the inside. And then my second card with those fun balloons. And there's the inside of that one. I'd swim an ocean to celebrate with you. Super fun. Next up, it was my day on the Not Too Shabby Instagram. And I used the Stamp and Die of the Month, Coffee with My Nomies. And I colored it to go with also the Not Too Shabby May 2022 Paper Pad Club of the Month paper. Thought it was fun. This isn't my normal color palette, so it was kind of fun to do something different. Nobody talked to me until I've had my coffee. And there's the inside of that one. Next up, I was on the Craft and Kimmy blog with Inspirational Wednesday using this stamp set, which I love. It's called Squishy Hugs. The stamp set is still on sale, so grab it up while you can. And then a friend knows when you need a hug. And so that was fun. And then I ended the week with this card. I am a guest designer for the Paper Nest dolls. They have lots of stamps, cute, fun stamps in both digital format and rubber stamps. I use the digital ones. And this paper is from Whimsy Stamps. It's called Calico paper, I think. It's so pretty. So this is Springtime Ellie. I think she would be pretty on a wedding card as well. So there's that, and then the inside says, "Hello, beautiful." So I thought she turned out really pretty, and I'm excited to be a guest designer for them. So those are my cards for the week. I had another productive week. I am loving all of my creative time, and I'm loving that my mojo is still around. This weekend I won't have as much time to create as my son is bringing his girlfriend home for us to meet, and we're going to spend some time hanging out with them. And then it's also Memorial Day, not that we have plans, but anyways, I will be back next week with more videos. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe and hit the bell for notification, and a thumbs up is always appreciated. Have an amazing day. Thanks so much.